I like tools. I do like SolarWinds DPA a lot, and that's one of the tools that you've been working with. I know
Yes.
a good chunk of my first career with SQL Server, I wrote my own. And the first time a software salesman took me to lunch and said, Jeff, I'd like to talk to you about this. I said, well, I'm a consultant. I have to accept a free lunch, but I really wasn't very open-minded. But yeah, they take your union card away, right? If you don't accept the free lunch. But I was extremely impressed with the capabilities of a tool that's gathering information every second and just giving you the ability to slice and dice it because there's a lot you can do with it. The very first time I sat down and used it, a lot of things went on. Um, the other piece of this is that even if you're really good with the system tables, with the DMVs, with the whatever, every time a new version of SQL Server comes out, I've got to change or monitor or check my scripts. It's much easier for me to have Kevin Kline take care of it for me.
Right. And the same for me. Many years as a DBA, I had developed these useful tools, Transact SQL scripts and so forth, but maintaining them. Every time there was a new release of the data platform, it was hard. It took a lot of work. And that's part of the reason why I gravitated toward commercial tools because you don't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah, and speaking of that, it is an unusual shop today that has 100 servers and every single one of them is running at 2017 or 2019 or you name it. We're going to be onboarding a new managed services customer in the next week that has 2008 and 2012 and 2017 and
Wow.
2019 and all of the little uh, roll-ups in between. Well, guess what? Are you going to point the right version of the script at the right server the first time across a couple hundred servers? Again, much easier to handle.
Whew. Yeah, that's don't want to throw shade on anyone, but that's kind of a nightmare maintenance scenario.
You don't always have a choice and you don't always have the resources to get all the things done that you want. But if you have the right tools,
Right.
you can take care of the servers that you've got. So here's why I like DPA. It does trending analysis. It picks up a lot of information that you need to against with both real performance issues and perceived performance issue. What's a perceived performance issue? Things like blocking, things like uh, sending large data sets across a network. One of my personal favorites was an application that brought 800,000 rows of data